Titanfall 2.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter. More Titanfall 2, 39 of 177 the best video games of the 2010s, ranked 11 of 57 the best multiplayer games on Xbox Game Pass.
Assassin's Creed Origins.
Genres: video game, action, adventure, stealth.
Rogue Company.
Genres: video game, third-person shooter.
Watch Dogs Legion.
Genres: video game, action, adventure.
Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2.
Genres: video game, tower defense, third-person shooter. More Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2, 14 of 32 the best local co-op games for Xbox One, 20 of 30 the best Xbox games for couples.
Roblox.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter, massively multiplayer online game.
Borderlands 3.
Genres: video game, action, role-playing, first-person shooter.
Battlefield 1.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter.
Fallout 4.
Genres: video game, action, role-playing.
Gears 5.
Genres: video game, third-person shooter.
Star Wars Squadrons.
Genres: video game, space combat.
Forza Horizon 3.
Genres: video game, racing.
Sea of Thieves.
Genres: video game, action, adventure. More Sea of Thieves, 461 of 465 the most addictive video games of all time, 57 of 66 the most popular action games out now.
Fortnite. Overwatch. Halo 5 Guardians.
Halo 5 Guardians.
Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order.
Genres: video game, action, adventure.
Apex Legends. Assassin's Creed Valhalla.
Genres: video game, action, role-playing.
Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter, tactical shooter.
Red Dead Redemption Roman 2.
Red Dead Redemption Roman 2.
Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter.
Call of Duty Warzone.
Call of Duty Warzone.
Grand Theft Auto V.
Grand Theft Auto V.
Minecraft.
Genres: video game, open world, action game, sandbox. More Minecraft for 100 best Minecraft mods. Rank the best Minecraft channels on YouTube.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.